Hello, in this video we're gonna be looking for an air leak or a vacuum leak using a smoke machine. The car has different problems, the RPM is going up and down, sometimes it's hard to start. The fuel tunes are showing that the car is running lean. That is the smoke machine that I'll be using. We put the servo seal just before the intake and we pump on it so that it seals the hole properly. So now we start the smoke machine and start looking for smoke coming out from the engine. There is some smoke coming out, but I can't locate exactly where the smoke is coming from. It's like it's smoking from everywhere. The next thing that we can try is stop the smoke machine and blow compressed air into the engine, into the intake, and see and maybe use water and soap and see if there's balloons coming out of somewhere. We can see bubbles coming out of the injectors, so the injectors need new seals. The more air we blow, the more bubbles there are coming out of the injectors. Next, we remove the injectors so that we could put new seals on them and return them back to their place. The injector rail is held by two bolts and we need to disconnect the fuel supply line, which is back over there. So that's the injectors out, and on the bottom there's the seals that we need to change in order to prevent air leak and vacuum leak. These are the new seals. Changing them is pretty easy. Before we put back the injectors, we blow compressed air into the hose so that we can clear anything that's around there. After the injectors are back in their place, we do another test with the smoke machine. We're starting to look if there is smoke coming out of the engine somewhere, but this time we don't see any smoke coming out, so that's the job well done. We'll even blow compressed air to check if there's bubbles coming out with the injectors. There is no bubbles coming out. Once we're happy that there is no air leak or vacuum leak, we can assemble everything back. Next, we start the car and look at the fuel trims. Fuel trims are alright, so that's a job well done. Thank you very much.